That's how he plays all these sounds. He like plays, look, he plays a riff, records it, and then puts it on loop and then plays over it. That's why it sounds like there's so many people playing. You know that? Playing over its own loop. Yeah, I know you're not. The day that we leave, it just snowed. Finally dumped it down. Thanks, Tahoe. So this is a little different. I got hired to play a birthday party in Napa Valley, California. We left this winter wonderland and went out to the gig and got all set up. All right, so we're at the winery and I'm all set up upstairs. This is the downstairs area. This is like the green room where we can just hang out. I typically have custom guitar picks and I ordered brand new ones and the factory like burned down. So I have no guitar picks.
Hi, I'm making you a guitar pick.
And so luckily, yeah, she just helped me out with that gift card. So we'll see how that works. Thank you.
It says oak.
15, 20 minutes left until everyone gets here.
Ready.
We're ready. I think we've been ready for like 2 hours now.
8 hours.
Everyone's gonna be here. I'll be up there. Little corner of.
Is this the wrong spot?
This it is.
Yes.
It's like Christmas lights. It was really fun and a beautiful place, and everyone had a great time. It also felt really good to play again after a 6-week vacation. And the guitar pick did work. Emma even got to show off her hula hoop skills.
It's the best day ever! Love it!
What a cool birthday party.
So let's just sit back and have a good time. We're gonna pour some wine, bar is open, we're gonna bring some food.
And the best cheeseburger I've ever had.
Happy birthday, Brian.
Halfway to 100! Woo! Hey, I love you, man.
Happy birthday, Brian.
Happy birthday, Brian.
Happy birthday!
Brian, happy birthday. Thank you so much for having us.
Brian, thank you for the most giving and special person in everybody's lives. Happy birthday, brother.
Happy birthday, brother. Someday I'm gonna teach you how to tie knots arthroscopically, I promise. Boom! Boom!
Happy birthday, Brian!
Brian, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, BC!
Thanks for a great night. That was fun. Cheers to Danny Black. Cheers! Danny Black, baby.
All right, the show's over. It was a lot of fun. Happy birthday, Brian. Thanks for having me. These people are really cool out here in Napa Valley. And I hope to see them again. Emma did a great job hula hooping as well. But now we gotta head to sleep because tomorrow we have a long drive, which you'll see the next time, so. Thanks for watching my adventures and stay tuned for the next one.
What's his name?
Danny! Thanks for watching my adventures. If you're here for the first time, maybe hit that subscribe button. If you're a regular, then hit that little bell for notifications. And if you're a stalker, I bet you haven't seen this video.